So this time naman guys, napakinggan natin yung reaction ni Ma'am Sara, no. This is the part 2 of my reaction din dito sa ginawa ni Ma'am Sarang pag-resign sa DepEd. Pakinggan natin yung kanyang linya.
Today, June 19, 2024, I sought an audience with the President and tendered my resignation as the Secretary of Education effective July 19, 2024.
So effective ngayong araw yung kanyang pagre-resign, 'di ba? So congratulations madam, no? At least kung hindi man ako nagkakamali, totoo talaga yung sinabi ni Basti na talagang pinaringgan niya na talaga. Even si Bongo, 'di ba? Si Munggo, no? Pinaringgan niya na rin. Tuloy natin 'to, guys.
Given my 30-day notice to ensure the proper and orderly transition for the benefit of the next secretary.
Yon. So at this moment, no, naarinig natin si Ma'am Sara na sa kanyang mga binitawang pananalita, and I'm sure sana naman, no, nakakahiya naman sa inyong delikadesa, no, PBBM, no, bikini min. Pwede ka nang bumaba, no? Kasi sigurado ko guys, this time hindi na ho aabot si BBM sa kanyang SONA this coming July. And again, this is your show, Ganel TV. You can follow this video or you share this video para po sa lahat mga susunod na video i-upload ko. Thank you guys. Peace out. Bye-bye.